Hi, I'm Gigi Chen and I'm an artist. And here today we are going to discuss the importance of sketchbooking in our lives as artists. So sketchbooking is kind of amazing and it's become a bit of a verb amongst artists these days. And no wonder, because how wonderful is it that we have a compact little space in which we can explore all of our different ideas and just see where it goes after that, right? So sketchbooking is really lovely because it's a really great place and a super safe place. You can keep them as personal as you want. You can open them, you can close them, you can keep them super personal, or you can share them with the public. You can really keep it as your safe space to explore ideas and discover what kind of different kind of artist that you could be. We're going to explore different materials, and basically I'm here to teach you how to make sketchbooking into a habit. Because I know sometimes people don't keep sketchbooks. Sometimes we just want to jump into a main piece of art. Drawing itself doesn't just come from nowhere, and ideas don't just come from nowhere. If you're a painter, you might want to try collaging to see what kind of artist that you can be by cutting out paper and spending some time just looking for materials, which is basically what collage is. It's a compilation of ideas and planning. And then what if you tried watercolor? What if you tried colored pencils? What if you tried ink pen, which is kind of scary for me. But maybe you'll find out that you're very good at it. So with these sketchbook prompts, I really want to teach you how to form a habit of exploration and just trying out everything that you can in one compact space. So let's get our sketchbooks and let's go sketchbooking together.